Refueling at any of American Natural Gas's public CNG fueling stations is safe, fast, and easy when done correctly. Step 1. Identify all safety features located throughout the station. There are several emergency shutoff buttons located around the premises. When pushed, the emergency shutoff buttons will end fueling. Step 2. Select the appropriate nozzle for your vehicle. All public ANG stations are equipped with 2 different size nozzles. The appropriate nozzle size varies depending on your vehicle. To determine which nozzle is needed to fuel your vehicle, check your owner's manual. Step 3. Remove the dust cap from the O-ring. Examine the O-ring for any imperfections, dust, or cracks. Wipe the area clean if necessary. The O-ring must be clean and intact to begin fueling. If that is not the case, please do not continue. Step 4. You are ready to connect the nozzle. If the station is equipped with WEH TK26 and TK16 nozzles, push the nozzle straight onto the receptacle of the vehicle. Step 5. Once connected, turn the activation lever 180 degrees to its on position. At this point, the nozzle is gripped securely onto the receptacle and the pressure is tight. You may hear a noise when using this nozzle. This is normal. The noise is the pressure within the hose in the vehicle equalizing. Step 6. Next, insert your credit card or ANG fuel card into the dispenser or pedestal card reader and follow the on-screen instructions. The pedestal card reader will be located in the center of the station. ANG stays up to date with the latest credit card reader technology to ensure customer transactions remain safe and secure. Ask an ANG team member about the benefits of ANG fuel cards. Step 7. Lift the activation lever to initiate fueling. Intermittent pauses are a part of CNG fueling. When the fuel tank is full, the filling will automatically stop. ANG's on-screen live fill tracking will also notify you when the fuel tank is full. If you wish to end fueling at any time, simply return the activation lever to its original position. Step 8. After returning the activation lever to its original position, slowly turn the nozzle lever about halfway. Wait a few seconds while the pressure in the line decreases. Then turn the rest of the way. Step 9. Lift the fueling nozzle and remove the nozzle from the receptacle. Return the nozzle to the dispenser holster. Step 10. Lastly, replace the dust cap on the fuel receptacle. Revisit the dispenser screen or pedestal. Remember, do not forget to take your receipt. At this point, the 10 steps to fueling a CNG vehicle safely are complete. For questions or assistance during the fueling process, please contact ANG's nationwide network of customer service technicians who are available 24/7 by dialing 866-264-6220. ANG also offers handy station alerts. To sign up to receive text message notifications regarding station outages and repairs, fill out their online form. For more information about ANG and their nationwide network of fueling stations, visit their website, www.americannaturalgas.com.